Week 6 topic. Last week we discovered design principles and theory and how they can be applied into our design, as you were able to apply some in our conversation about logo design. Now, it's time to dive into the psychology behind visual communication. Take a look at the video Teaching of Visual Literacy and Communications by George Luger. He talks about what visual literacy is and means, and gives an interesting point about visual communication. It's all around us, not just in the flyers and logos that we see. It's in the composition of everything we consume and create. Then check out the other video on scholars and theories related to visual communication by Dr. Tonia, our former professor. This would add into our reading related to psychology. Also, this week we get to expose about layout, how it can help arrange visuals and types in white space, and how grids allow designers to quickly add elements to a layout and help organize those elements.